If you're training the front split with your back knee and back foot on a hard surface, chances are that you are in pain. In this video, I will help you with some techniques to relax and stretch deeper. When we are training the front split, we want to do it with comfort so that our body is not in pain, it doesn't get tensed, because if this happens, then your nervous system will send signals to your body and it will make you contract your muscles, and that way you won't be able to get into the stretch. So in this video I am going to give you tips to prevent that from happening. The first one that I am going to give you is using a soft floor like this one. You can use this one, which is a tatami. You can use some yoga blocks. You can go to the grass, whatever you want, but it has to be a soft floor. The main point of this one is that your back foot and your back leg, most importantly your back knee, this one, has to relax on something soft. So this way it is not hurting and your nervous system doesn't send signals on pain, and this way it will allow you to get into the stretch. The second point that we are going to talk about is using yoga blocks like I am doing. You need to have at least 2 yoga blocks for this to work. You can place them under your front hip. In this setting, which is the lowest setting, if you need to have the blocks a little bit higher, you can do this, and be careful. You need to relax into the stretch. You can use a wall to maintain the balance, or if you really need, you can get a third yoga block. And as you progress, you will be able to remove yoga blocks. So I will do this, and then I will relax into the stretch. Remember, you have to breathe deeply so you can relax into the stretch, like I am doing. As you progress, you will be able to remove the first yoga block. If you feel this is too hard for you, you can place the block on this setting, what I am showing you, this way. And if you are really struggling, you can place it even here. And you can be sliding the block like this. Until you are able to relax. Okay, when you finally get to this point, you can use the same strategy. If you have the lowest setting on the block, you can place it here and you can be sliding it until you are here. When you are on the final point, you will notice that you have a little gap. For this one, you can place a pillow under your front hip. This way you can relax. You can be a pillow, a cushion, whatever you want. Just that it helps you to relax. And then you will be able to get the front split. And remember, the front split is a position that takes months or even years to develop. So don't go too hard on these ones. You don't want to tense your body. Otherwise, you will be sending pain signals to your brain and you won't get deeper. So be patient on these ones. And if you have to stay on a certain block progression for a few months, then stay there until your body can relax and It allows you to go deeper. If you do this, let's say 2 times a week with an intense front split training, you will get deeper. If you do what I say, you will get deeper. If you want more details on front splits training, you can check my front split program on the description. For now, let's do the other side. Remember that you have to do both sides.